here with beautiful and successful women to introduce you, and I'm extremely sorry I got late. I stuck in meeting, so we are very late. Forgive me for that. And here I am with the Hyderabad's heart and India's heart. She is famous worldwide. She is Mrs. India, Janvi Bajaj.
Hello friends, namaste. How are you all doing? I'm Janvi Bajaj, Mrs. India 2018-19 first runner-up, and I'm really happy to be here on your show Alka Manoj, as you're always rocking in any which ways. You say, as a politician or a designer, you are an all-rounder.
Thank you, Janvi.
Thank you so much. Pleasure.
Just tell me, you're a crown holder. Is it so hard to get the crown?
Uh, Basically, when you're asking me that, I just go when I just started thinking about it when I was a teenager, and I always was fascinated towards the pageants and all, Mrs. India, Miss India, and I never used to miss a single, Mrs. India or Miss India. So I never thought that I would be a participant, but as I was so fascinated, I just thought one day when I was free with my responsibilities, like I settled my son and I was just sitting at home. I was like, let me just go and be a part, and I just wanted to go on that stage, because that stage, I think whoever goes on the stage is blessed. So yes, I went, and I never thought I will get a crown back home, but I was lucky enough. But I only went there for participation, because even the participation was like a crown for me, because standing over there is also as good as winning.
Yes, I understand that.
Yeah.
It's not so easy to get that.
Yeah, because after getting married and all, you are surrounded with too many responsibilities, and a
Yes.
woman like me, family comes first in my life. So for me, it was really very tough. But I'm really blessed that I was able to.
But
be
I
honest.
never knew that you have son also.
Yeah, he's a pilot now.
Oh my God! And you look so young.
Thank you so
Wow.
much. That's a compliment. You made my day.
No, that's really, you don't look like, you have a son who is pilot.
Yeah,
So-
he's working for Indigo Airlines now.
Wow,
Yeah.
congratulations.
Thank you.
I just wanted to ask you one question. Have you tried before marriage any pageant? Like Glad Rags or Miss India or something?
No, actually, I'm telling you, like, I was a kind of mother who wanted to open the door when her son comes home after his school. So I was the only one to
Okay.
open the door, because he always wanted to share his things with me, like what happened in the school, and I never wanted to miss a single time when he should miss me. So I used to make sure that I'm home. So I never got the chance to leave my house responsibilities and go for the pageant.
That's really wonderful.
Yeah.
You are really example in that, because most of the women I have just seen, just to get the crown, they even break up their families. They
Yeah.
don't think of the family, but family is really, really important.
Yeah.
Our family stands with us all the time.
Yes, definitely.
So family is the most important.
Yeah,
for
I'm a
us.
family-oriented person since starting only. Like I have all my family members. They are family-oriented. So I think this is how we have grown up. So we have those principles and all in us. So yes.
Even when you got the crown, I have seen you before. Even after the crown, you are the same. There is no change in your attitude.
I don't think there should be any change in my attitude, because I went for the crown because that was my dream. I just used to think about it. Why should my attitude change? Because I got the crown, because the kind of person I am. So why should I change? If I'm changing myself, that means I don't deserve that crown.
That's exactly right.
Yeah.
This is how people should know about what all is the most important thing in our life.
I don't know how to change. because there are so many things which has happened in my life, but I am the same person, and I don't know why should people change. They should be the way they are.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
Whether you go down or you go up, you should be
Yes.
the same.
In
should
life
not-
we have ups and downs.
Yes.
Yeah.
Who doesn't have ups and
Everybody
downs?
everybody
Life
has.
is a package deal of ups and downs.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that it was just a part for me, like, you know, even like as being a mother, being a wife, being an aerobics trainer by profession, being Mrs. India. These are just like, you know, these are just a part of my life. So even this was part of my life, and I really feel complete after going on that stage, because I never thought I will. But you know, if you dream about something, you should
Yes.
go and try to fulfill it.
What did you think before doing the registration? You
I-
had fear inside of you.
Of course, I'm not a very confident person. I'm a very normal person, and as you know, like, you know, I was a housewife. I used to just go and take 1 or 2 classes of aerobics. You know, I'm more into my house thing. Like, you know, I
Okay.
used to do my cooking. I used to come and cook, and then, you know, so in between, I used to go and take my aerobics classes.
Okay.
So this is how I am. So it was really, it was a very complicating thing was for me, but it just happened by the grace of God.
Yeah. But I just wanted to ask you, you have such a good height. You're so beautiful. So before marriage, nobody inspired you, you should go for Glad Rags, go for Miss India.
I'm from a very small town, Jaipur. So over there, yeah, they used to tell me. So all these Mrs. India, Miss India were not there, but everybody used to tell me you should become an air hostess.
Okay.
Yeah, and I was very much scared of planes and all, because I used to feel that I will, you know, puke in the plane. So I was like,
Okay.
sorry, I'm not an air hostess kind of a person. But because of my height, everybody used to say you should become an air hostess. It's like, but not you know, because that time it was not that much there, Miss India and all.
Yeah, but you know, at least the Glad Rags was very famous that time.
Yeah,
So
I was a very simple person.
okay.
So I never thought of you know, participating. To be very frank, you won't even believe that we had a very big house, like, you know, 5-6 rooms we had in Jaipur. You have big bungalows
Yes.
and all.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we had the routine of cleaning the whole house and then going to college and all. So this is how we were
Wow.
brought up. So
See, she is
Yeah.
Mrs. India, and she used to clean her house.
Yeah.
We should learn from her
Yeah,
how to
so-
take care of our house.
my mom had given us the duties. Even when we had final exams, we had to clean the house and go, because who will clean the house?
Yes.
My mom
of
didn't
course.
care that, you know, even if you have exams, you can just plan your day
Yes.
and do housework and go to give it. So we are, you know, you are brought up in that way that, you know, I have done my masters in English, so I have studied also. I have taken care of the
Wow.
house also since starting, and then Hyderabad has shown me that side of me,
Okay.
because there were no cameras, there were no cameramans in Jaipur. I have never
Oh.
seen that life in Jaipur.
Okay.
When I came to Hyderabad, I just when we shifted to Hyderabad from I got married in Bombay, and then we shifted to Hyderabad. So I made friends. Then all these social get-togethers started happening,
Okay.
and then people I make friends very fast. So they started inviting me for pastry parties and all. So this is how I got used to those professional cameras.
Okay.
So to be very frank, you know, that really makes your life easy. First, you
Yes.
will be like little conscious in front of the camera, but
Yeah.
as you keep on going to the parties and all, you get used to that.
Yes.
So Hyderabad made me used to that glamour world, you can say that.
Okay.
Then your picture starts coming in the newspaper, then your confidence again
Yes. It's,
boost up a little
Yeah.
bit more. So you can say
That's nice.
that I think I owe this crown to Hyderabad too. Because of Hyderabad, I have got that confidence of going to that
that's
stage.
really nice. That's really
Yeah.
nice. So, just tell me, as this is a pandemic time and mates were not allowed, So how you have maintained your house?
We were trained since starting only, so no tension. My mom has trained me for everything. As I told you, like even before wedding, we
Yeah.
used to clean our 6 bedroom house and then used to go to college. So this didn't matter for me. I used to, and we were not going out anywhere. So the only thing was chadu, pocha, bartan, khana.
Wow.
So that was not a too hectic thing for me because I'm used to doing all these things. I don't get panic at this time.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
So we should really learn from you, you know, how to maintain the house.
You
How
can
to
learn it
take-
from my mom because she is the one who has trained me. So you can.
That's really nice, you
Yeah.
know, like you being a crown holder and you're working at home, you're taking care of your house so well. So that's really amazing
Anika,
part
let
of
me
you.
just tell you that I'm Mrs. India, not Miss India.
Yeah.
So Mrs. India are, you know, they are married women who know how to take the responsibility of their house.
Yeah, see, I'm a fashion designer, so I have seen so many Miss Indias, Mrs. Indias, and all. The moment they get the crown, they think they are top of the world, and they cannot mingle with anybody. They show so much of attitude, which I do not see in you. That's
It
a
will
really
never come
best
also.
part of you.
It will never come also because I don't know what is that attitude. Yes, you should have it, but overconfidence. I don't know. I don't ever think because I'm a very normal person. I still sit on the floor, chat with my friends when we are having
Wow.
get-togethers. You know, I'm just the same. Why should I behave in a abnormal way or the way which I'm not a kind of person? That means I will behave in an
that's
artificial way, which
Yes.
will be more tougher for me.
Yes, yes.
So I think it's better for me to
that
be the
becomes
way
an
I am.
acting. That becomes an acting.
So I'm very relaxed. Like even if I'm sitting with you, I'm the way I am. So I'm very
That's
relaxed.
nice.
I don't have to plan things. I don't have to plan or write what I have to talk to you because this is what I am.
Yes. Just tell me one thing. When you were on the stage, were your heart beating that you will get the crown or not?
When I was
Or
preparing,
you were scared? No. Tell me when you were preparing, how you felt, and then on the final stage, how you were feeling.
actually I had filled form for Glad Rags also few years back.
Okay.
But the thing was they needed the marriage certificate and we got married in a Gurudwara. So we had
Okay.
certificate of Gurudwara.
Oh.
So I didn't have the marriage certificate. So they
Okay.
rejected my
Form.
Then later on, after a few years when I was free, I was like, I think I should give it a try. And I was like, ठीक है, at least I'll be there on the stage. Then later on, when I started preparing for it, and I went to Bombay for shopping, and you know, once you get into something,
Yes.
you want everything to be the
To
best.
be perfect.
So as I started getting into it, I thought, oh, I'll do it. I'll just go here. I'll shop this that. But once when I started doing for it, I was like, no, I want the best because this stage I will never get, and this is the most beautiful stage. So I have to
Yes.
look the best. So I started going for shopping and this and that, and then we started introducing. We got started introducing to the other participants and all. They were like 85 or 86 participants with me
Wow.
from all over the world.
Wow.
Because Indians from UK, Canada, I don't know, from all over the world they were there.
Oh my God! First
Yeah.
time I'm knowing that.
Yeah,
I didn't
because
know
you can
that.
come from anywhere.
Okay.
And then second thing was like even the army officers, ex-army officers, and designers and writers. It was amazing surrounding. The
Okay.
contestants were fab. So I was
Wow.
like, yeah, I think I will go and at least I will attend, be a part. And then later on, when I started getting into this, preparing myself, I was like, I might get a crown, you know,
Okay.
in first three. But trust me, Alka, as soon as I landed in Delhi for the pageant, I entered the hotel room and we started making friends. We started chatting. At that time, I was stunned to see the beauty, intelligence, and the kind of everybody was so tall and they were from abroad and all. So I was little, you know,
They were taller
shaken
than
up.
you also?
Yeah, that
Oh my
was
God.
what I thought. I was the tallest one, and they were like, I'm 5'8", and they were like 5'10",
Oh.
5'11".
Oh.
So that time I was like, okay, babes, I think I was talking to myself over there. Okay, babes, even if you're participating, that is really a big thing for you. So it's okay even if you don't win, because I was thinking that I'm blessed. At least I'm a part of such beautiful ladies. And I'm
Okay.
telling you, very intelligent ladies, very, very confident designers and whatnot. So, but then I was like, I'm not sure I will get the crown,
Okay.
because, and I had fever also on the first day because of tension.
Oh my God.
So I was taking medicines at that time. I had low BP. Then second day I got up and I was like, are you
You
losing
were all
something?
alone, or somebody was there with you?
No,
From your family?
they give you one room and two people have to be there in the room.
Okay.
So I had a
So none
roommate
of-
also.
None of from your family.
No, my husband was there, but my husband, my son, my co-sister-in-law, my sister, my sister's daughter, they all came for the pageant, but they came on the third day, finale day.
Okay.
And I was there 2 days before, because, you know, they had to take care of the family members also. They could not, like, my mother-in-law was there, so
Okay.
my husband and my son came on the last day. But it was like, you know, second day I thought, why the hell are you taking tension? Did you came only for the crown? You just wanted to be a part of this. But you know, as you get into it, you want, then crown becomes your aim.
Yes.
So I was like, no, just calm down, go, participate, enjoy yourself, and come back home. At least you were a participant. You have been there with such beautiful crowd. So then I was
Yeah.
like,
So
okay.
you convinced yourself,
Yourself, yeah.
nobody else.
No.
That's
Yeah.
really nice.
Because we didn't have time that I could have
Yes.
spoken to anybody else, because there were so many tasks, there were so many photo shoots that we were only sleeping for 2 hours for
Oh
3
my
days.
God.
All the tasks and photo shoots were there for 3 days,
Oh.
and the finale was on the third day. There was sports round, there was traditional round, there was golden dress round, and talent round.
Wow.
So 3 days just vanished, you know, it was very fast. Time was just running, and we were unable to sleep for, like, you know, literally for 3 hours we were not sleeping.
Oh.
Yeah. But I lived my life in those 3 days.
So those 3 days gave you lots of confidence and boosting yourself. Nobody else is there with you. You have to decide by yourself.
It all
You
comes
have
from
to
here.
come up
Yeah.
by your own,
Yeah.
and you made it. How did you feel when they were announcing before your name? How you were feeling?
Frankly speaking,
Must be tough.
yeah, because I'm telling you, know, the crowd was beautiful, and I had made friendship. Like, you know, we were friends over there. We were chatting, and you won't believe. Seriously, yes, I wanted to have the crown, but there was so much of talent that I was like, maybe one person I will not get, but you won't believe, my co-contestants, we had to write 2 names.
Okay.
Like, every contestant had to write 2 names of who will win.
Oh.
You guess, like, you know, try 2 names.
Okay.
So I was in most of the friends list,
That's
contestants
nice.
list. So I was really taken aback, like, you know, being, when being a co-contestants, they can think they have such good thoughts about
Yeah.
me, that, you know, this girl will win. And they were saying, you are taking the crown for sure. In
Wow.
3 crowns, they were more confident than me. But then
That's
for
nice.
me, they were also very talented. So I was thinking for them also. But when I was on the stage, I was like, I was just praying, and I was like, thank you God for whatever you have given me. Even if today I'm here, I'm feeling like a winner. Like, you know,
Yeah.
they had to shortlist few people. Like,
Yes.
from 83, they had to take it to 25. So I was in
Okay.
25, I was like, I'm blessed. At least I'm in 25.
Yes.
But after they announced my name, I was like, you know, zapped. It was all, I couldn't see anything. And the only thing I could see was that stage. I just touched the stage सबसे पहले, like literally nothing else, because that stage had given me
I saw the
the
video.
confidence.
I saw the video.
I don't know. I'm telling you, I'm a very simple person, so I never think too much about me. Oh, I can do this, I can do that, I'm the best. I can never think that. I always feel that I'm still learning.
Yes.
I still can be. I can still learn. I can still can be better than this. Yeah. I'm never like, oh, I'm the best. I can do it. I don't know. I can never think like that. So when they took my name, I was like, this I owe it to all my people.
Yeah, you're this nature. As you were, so friendly with everybody, that made you to win.
Maybe.
Yes,
Blessings
of course.
from everybody. Yeah.
Because what happens, the moment we start showing the attitude, nobody will write our name, as you said, like they had to write the name
Yeah.
for 2 participants.
Everybody. Yeah.
Yeah. So because you were friendly with them,
You're
that's
freaking out.
yeah, that's what
We were having gala time, like we were unable to talk to our family members because we didn't have time. So what we were doing is we were just talking to each other, and over there also I would not lie that we were actually praising each other. I had made such beautiful friends over there that we were
nice.
actually we were literally, we were not putting anybody down. We were praising each other. Ki, your dress is very nice.
Wow.
Your
So nice.
this is very nice. Wow, what beautiful. You should wear this. And you won't believe, we were sharing our accessories with each other.
Wow.
So, ye wala pen,
That's awesome.
this will look better on this dress. We were doing that.
That's
So I feel ki you win or lose. That is a very that is a secondary thing. But being a good human being is the primary
Yes.
thing we should.
That proves in life,
Yeah.
and that has proved even on your stage also.
Yeah.
Because
I think
you were friendly, you were sharing with them.
we all
That's
were
how
doing
they
that.
all have written your name,
Yeah.
and that's the reason you got it.
I was blessed. Matlab, I have earned beautiful friends also over there with the crown.
Sometimes we just see, some women, they are just not crown holder, just okay, but they're showing off so much of attitude and all. Do not come near me, don't touch me, I'm this, I'm that. So when I compare you with them, I feel you're so down to earth, being such a beautiful woman, such a successful woman, and the most important for a woman to handle their home, the way you handle your house, your husband, your children, which you have taken care of it very well. Even your mother-in-law is there with you. You take care of them very, very well. So I really appreciate you, the way you're handling everything so well, and still you're so down to earth.
That is basically, I'm sure it's because of my upbringing. Because even my parents are
Yes,
like
that depends. Yes.
Even my dad, like he has come up with from a scratch. He has whatever he is today. He has like
Yes.
you can he was working with someone, and now he has 4 flats in Bombay with
Wow.
2 offices in Bombay, like 2 offices and 4 flats, like on his own, and that too in car. Like
Wow,
I have
that's-
seen him growing in front of me,
Yes.
and I'm like, I always, and they are also like very down to earth. They still say कि ऑटो नहीं लेते हैं, वॉक करके चलते हैं. They still, my parents are still like that. They are so simple that they prefer walking than taking auto or taxi and car. And we have when my brother was he's too younger. He's like 11 years younger to me. So when he grew, then they took car and all. But still, they are very happy walking. I'll go walking. They're still like that. So I think
Wow.
it's all about the
Upbringing,
sanskar
yeah.
or upbringing.
Yes.
I think it all depends on them. So thanks to them
Yes.
for a kind of person I am.
I just wanted to ask you one question. Did you have any criteria in that when you were filling the form that height should be this much?
No.
You didn't have.
Everybody was welcome.
No, what I have seen for the Glad Rags and for Miss India, they
Yeah.
have height limit.
No, we did not have, but everybody was very tall.
Tall only.
Yeah. They did not
you know,
specify that, but everybody had lost weight and came because you want to look the best on that
Yeah.
stage. But they had not said that if you will not lose weight, we will not take you and all. So everybody was welcome, and
Okay.
really they really boost up everybody's confidence level, because if you are short, I don't think it's your.
it's
Uh,
not their
not your
cup of tea.
yeah.
Yes.
If you are short, then it's not your mistake. So they welcome them also. You
Okay.
can come, you can participate and all. But most of us were like 5'8" and all, above 5'8". Most of my contestants.
Yeah, what I have seen, I like earlier when I was doing the shows, that time the models used to come from Bombay,
Yeah.
so they all were 5'8", 5'9",
Yeah.
5'10". So I have seen models in those heights only.
Yeah.
But here in Hyderabad, I see like they are very short, but they're just my height, and they say I am Mrs. India, and I just get shocked seeing them, like what they're talking, which crown, what crown. I'm just not able to understand.
Because there are few more pageants. So, but this problem when I face, because when I had to enroll for a pageant, I really did all my homework and then I enrolled in this one, because they had the best of judges, like Mahima Chaudhary was there, Kunal Kapoor was there, Aman Manwa was the host, Poonam Dhillon was there.
Wow.
So I wanted to be a part of a show, and even the director, she's a winner of she's winner of a pageant. So
Okay.
she knew,
So
and
she
very,
knows how to
yeah.
do it. Yeah.
And my director's husband, they are the directors. He's a army officer and all, ex-army officer. So they were like really dignified and they were amazing people, very classy people.
That's good.
So I was like, the way they had made the stage and all the rounds and everything was like done in a very, very, very professional way. So even
That's really good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
I
took
have
time.
seen in your video.
Yeah.
It's really, really.
Yeah, so I had done
Done
my homework
very,
very,
very
well, and then I went for this pageant, because there are so many where there is no stage, there is nothing else, so I didn't want it to just go and
Yeah, I
get the
just
crown.
see some ladies, they just come to the airport with the crown and they say I'm a winner. I'm just not able to understand where they have won, which contest, where happened, don't know.
It's on everywhere actually. This has become a business more than anything else.
No, this should not be there,
Yeah, but this is how it is.
No. I just remembered because one of my friend, he's hosting Mrs. India. He has criteria when he comes to Hyderabad once in a year. He calls me as a judge. So that time we have their height limit. Minimum is 5'6".
Yeah.
Below 5'6" we don't take.
Yeah.
And the competition is really, really tough. And when I'm questioning them, they will be just looking to me like this.
Yeah, even we were like, blank when Mahima Chaudhary asked me the question, and I was blank only because you are on the stage,
Yeah.
you are like already nervous, and when Mahima Chaudhary is asking me the question, because I really find her very beautiful. So I was like, oh, wow, she's asking me the question, and I'm interacting with her. That was really a feather on my cap, and I was really enjoying. So yes, it is really tough to be there, and answering the question is again,
I know
It's
it's
more
not
tough.
so easy.
no.
It's just not so easy.
Yeah,
I have
it's
seen
not.
the ladies in 2 minutes. They were just making such beautiful paintings just in 2 minutes.
Talent, it must be talent
Yes,
found,
yeah. So it was so amazing,
Yeah.
and I used to just think like whom we should remove. The competition was so tough.
Yes, that is the best thing, because when I am here with the crown, that is the best thing I enjoy, because over there I had beautiful and talented competitors. That was a plus point, and that made me really feel so happy that I'm not a winner. Like, I went on the stage, I got the crown. No, that was a pure competition. Then you enjoy the crown.
Yes.
If you're going standing with the dumb people, you will not enjoy.
That's
Okay,
true,
fine,
that's
maybe for showing I have the crown, but when I'm looking in the mirror, what will I talk to myself? Because I have to be genuine to myself at least. You know that there was actually beautiful competition over there. Yes, I went through a tough competition and then I got the crown back home. So
Wow.
when I look in the mirror, yes, I do feel I am the winner. I'm actually the winner.
That's how we should have
Yeah.
the attitude.
Yeah, because
You performed well.
the competition
Yes.
should be good. You know, you should.
Yeah.
That is what I'm saying. You know, tall, intelligent, and successful women in so many fields they were working. I was like, I'm very satisfied with the crown because whatever was the homework competitors did, this it was high level things. So I'm very satisfied with the crown. Yes, I got that. I was really lucky, blessed.
So tell me, how was your husband's reaction and your son's reaction seeing the crown?
They were already saying कि नहीं
She
you will पक्के से win because I was so tense. Now I was so nervous
Okay,
that
so
they're like कोई बात नहीं
boosting you.
mama, at least you go and enjoy it. Just don't take tension about the crown and all that. But even I thought so. You know, I should not take tension about the crown, whether I win or lose. It's okay. But after you are there, no, in those
Yes.
3 days, I don't know how I became greedy over there that I wanted a crown. Before when I was here, I was okay. But as I went to Delhi and started going to the stage and my confidence level boosted up because maybe the contestants only boosted my confidence.
That happens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I could see that I'm really doing well over
Yeah.
there. Then I wanted the crown. In those 3 days, I thought, I don't want to go without the crown.
So in your case, what happens when son is not getting something? Mama says, you can do it. You can do it. So your son was saying, Mama, you can get it.
I've learned a lot from him. He is my son, but when he was in 10th, everybody was telling me that don't let him do pilot training thing because pilots are jobless nowadays. When he was in 10th,
Yes.
pilots were actually jobless because they were just kicking out the pilots and all. So I was like, now what to do? Because he wanted to become a pilot since he was 5 years old.
Oh,
And he had all the toys, he had all the games of flying only. He had all the aeroplanes and all. So
Wow.
when people said that, then also he was like, no, mama, because I had put him in Fiji in IIT
Okay.
batch. So he was like, 1 month he went, and after coming back, I still remember. After putting him in IIT batch, no, beta, pilots are jobless. I can't put you in that, no, because I want your future to be secured.
Yes.
So I told him that after 1 month, he's like, Mama, please don't do that to me. I'm not enjoying my studies at all. And because he talks to me about everything. He's very open with me. Like we are more like
That's
friends.
nice. That's nice.
So he's like, Mama, please मत करो ऐसे आप मेरे को मुझे नहीं अच्छा लग रहा. I don't want to become a IIT and then all. And that day, by chance, I had come across a message, that forwarded message
Yes.
that always live your life, try to achieve your dreams. Otherwise, you will land up achieving someone else's dream. So you should do what you like to, or what you have dreamt about. And he has always thought about planes only and being a pilot. So he has taught me that you should not listen to people. You should not think about ups and downs.
Yes.
You should try to achieve what you have dreamed of. So
Yeah.
that is what I've learned from him. सब चीजें चलती रहती हैं, but you should always do what you want to do.
That's really good part of you. You
Yeah.
allowed him to take
Of
up
course,
that.
because you start thinking and you have brain since you are born. This is what
Yes.
I've seen. Like even kids have beautiful way of thinking.
Yes.
Even they can guide you in so many things.
Yes.
So I'm open to all kind of suggestions and all.
Usually what happens, parents, what they could not become, they just want to put on their children.
Never.
No, you do this, you have to become this. So those days, I feel it's over.
Yeah.
Now they have, so many things to do it. It's not only engineer and doctor. Now, in every field, we have so many, things to do it. So even the children are so smart nowadays. From the beginning only, they have inside of them what they want to become. So parents also, once they support, then they become very successful.
Yeah.
So as you supported your son, so he has become successful pilot.
Yeah, because I feel before when I was young, I used to feel ki job is only for earning. But now when I've grown and with my own experience, I can say job is not only about earning or doing
Yes.
a job. It's about enjoying your job.
Yes.
Because if you love something, you will want to get up in the next morning and you want to again go and
You
do
love
your
to
work,
go, yeah.
because I can see him live each second.
Wow.
You know, he's like, Mama, see, this plane has come. Mama, see this engine. Mama, see this. Mama, see that. Mama, see this. See that. In a day, 100 times he comes to me to tell some or the other thing about planes.
Wow.
Why? Because he's living his life with the planes. So he's enjoying. And when you
Yeah.
see smile on your kid's face, happiness, then you are automatically very
Yes.
satisfied and happy. So this is what I've learned. You should let the kid do what he wants to rather than just settling him down like that.
Yeah. We have so
you
many opportunities nowadays
Yeah.
in every field. So-
because even with him, there's so many kids who have done their engineering and then come for pilot training. After
Yeah.
after they're 26, 27, they
Yes.
were like, no, we are not enjoying engineering, so we are also doing pilot training. My son was 18 and those kids were like 26 years old. So I was like, cool, at least after 12 he's doing what he wanted
Yes.
to. And I think you should leave everything on God. Like, you know, when he was in 10th, people are saying you will, like, pilots are jobless, but now, touch wood, I believe in
Okay.
God totally. Yeah. I
That's
was like, no,
nice.
now you're doing, when he told me about IIT and all, I was like, "Nee, now you're doing pilot training only. Whatever the situation of jobs is, pilot jobs, you are doing that only. I'm not choking you more." Then I shifted him to normal science thing and all.
Okay.
And there he is, a pilot in Indigo already. So,
Wow. That's again,
very happy,
big
yeah.
crown for you.
yeah,
That's a
biggest,
Yeah.
biggest. I
that's
think,
the main crown we
yeah,
can say.
If your kids do something good, that is the biggest crown. Yeah.
I have seen even designers when they come for job to me for when I take their interviews. I have just seen they have done BTech because their parents wanted them,
Exactly. Yeah.
and then they are not satisfied. They have done fashion designing. So some even doctors. I was just wondering, you being a doctor, why you're coming into the fashion field? No, because I love this field. That my parents put me. So
Yeah.
what message you want to give to parents?
Please let your kids live. You know, let them enjoy their jobs. Let them enjoy their lives. Because, even when no one stopped me, but when I went for this Mrs. India thing, I feel complete. I feel, yes, I have lived my life. I have fulfilled my dreams. So, same thing applies to your kids also. You know, you won't enjoy them if they are, they are coming tired from the office and okay, mama, yeah, aaj ka din aisa tha, waisa tha. You will really love when they will share their experience with you. You know, mama,
Yes.
My son talks like that only. You know, mama, today what happened? And I
Wow.
love that. And I always thank God for that. Thank you for guiding me at that time. Otherwise, I
Wow.
was pushing him to IIT, which he
Yes.
would have never enjoyed.
Yes.
And seeing him, I would have really, cursed myself, why the hell did I spoil my
Yes.
son's life?
Yeah.
So I think he was there, he guided me in the right way, and I can see my son's happy face every day.
Talking to you, I'm just able to feel that, being so fashionable, being Mrs. India, you're very spiritual also.
Very much. Very much. I don't think anything can happen without his
God.
consent. Yeah.
That's true.
It's it's not only that I think like that, I have experienced all those things.
Okay.
You know, when you ask things from God, you will get it. But
That's nice.
you should have faith and you should have patience.
Yeah, faith and patience.
Yeah, if you
This
don't
both
have
is important.
if you don't have faith, then even he cannot help you. He
Yes.
always says that you should be positive first. I'm there with you. But when you are not confident about your things, then how can we confident about your things?
Yes. That's
So,
true. That's true.
I have blind faith in God. I am mad for Sai Baba and
That's
Golden
nice.
Temple Gurudwara and Guru Baba and all. And when I earned my crown,
I have seen your picture.
yeah,
Taking it from like this.
I took it there. I
Yeah,
had to touch
that's
it.
so beautiful.
Yeah, I had this in my mind. Ki if I get the crown, I was telling God on the stage, God, if I get the crown now, I will get my crown to you. And I went as soon as possible, as soon as I could. And I touched the crown to the Guru Granth Sahib in Golden Temple.
Wow.
And I asked those people who sit priest and all they sit now. So you just give it to them and they will touch it and give it to you. The main Guru Granth Sahib.
Wow.
So he was saying, रखना है कि देना है वापस. मैंने अपने कहीं दे दो, बहुत मुश्किल से कमाए हैं इसको. Because you know it was so tough now that I literally gave up in halfway, frankly speaking. When I had planned like 3-4 months before that, okay, I'm going for this. Those 3-4 months were so hectic because taking care of the house, cooking and taking care of everything, and then running for your trials, and you have to go for the designers, and you know when you have to go for talent round, you have to go for dance and this and that. For then I was going to gym and all, so I was so tired. And then they give you task in Mrs. India. They give you task like, you know, you do this, you go to a old age home, or you go to some you have to go to small kids and all. So I had given up and I was like, okay, I'm quitting, I'm not going for Mrs. India.
Oh,
Literally I was coming back कि I'm not going, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा. Both things were really, it was very tough
yeah,
to
it
handle
is
house
very,
and
yes,
this.
very tough.
If I would have maids and then I could have done it easily, but I'm not that kind of a person. So it was actually very tough thing for me. And then I spoke to my sister कि I think I'm giving up and I'm